Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Vishal Khan. Today we are going to study about SQL basic statement. SQL basic select statement. In the previous lesson, we have discussed about SQL introduction, and today's lesson we are going to talk about SQL basic select statement. Mean how we will select data from the database objects which are stored inside the RDBMS. So the current slide describes the capability of SQL select statement. For example, here projection mean what? Projection mean when we select particular columns from a particular table. So this is called projection. Selection mean when we select the specific rows. When we will in SQL statement when we will specify the conditions, so it will select the specific rows. So this is called selection. And when we select column from multiple tables, for example this is table 1 and this is table 2, so this is called join. When we select data from multiple table means from two or more than two tables. So inside SQL we use the join to select the table from multiple, to select the data from multiple tables. Okay, what's the query syntax or query format? So it's very easy. Look at here, select is the keyword, and after the select keyword we can use star or column names, or we can also use the expressions. From is also the keyword. Table name is mean your database table name, For example, let's see, if I want to select the data from the student table, all columns, so I will write the query select star from student, because star represent all columns. And for example, if I want to select the specific column, so I will write the query select student name comma father name from table. So here you see here select identifies the column to be displayed, and from identifies the table containing those columns. Let's see here the practical. When you install the Oracle, so the Oracle RDBMS, so then how you will open the SQL Plus, how you will write the queries, how you will connect with the users. So let's see here, it's very simple. Once you install the Oracle RDBMS, just right here or click on the start button, or just click here and write SQL. So here SQL Plus is, open it. And first, when you install the required software, so first you must connect with the sys user. Sys is sysdba. It means that system is system database administrator. Only this user can start and shut down the database, not any other user except this user. This user can, through the help of this user, we can create new users, we can give permission to the users, we can take back the rights from the users, etc. So let's see sysACD, the password. Whenever you will install the software, so during the installation it will ask for you which password do you want to use for this user. So I use my own password. Another thing is the start user is also created automatically whenever you install the Oracle 11g software or RDBMS. The start user is embedded inside the Oracle RDBMS. It is just for the sake of the user practice. for the user practice. By default, the SCART user is logged and the password is Tiger. Let's see here. For example, if I want to connect with SCART user, connect SCART/Tiger. So can you see it? Let's see, the account is locked. The account is locked. So what you will do, you will write just the query again, connect with sys as sys, because look at the messages, you are no longer connected to Oracle. So first you have to connect with the Oracle password. And now here I will write the query alter user SCART account unlock. Clear it? So now our account is unlocked. Now you can connect with the SCART user. Connect is SCART, username is SCART, password is Tiger. So look at here, connected. CLESCR, clear screen. Okay. If you want to see how many tables are created inside the SCART user, so you will just write the simple query select star from cat. Cat is the catalog. Mean whenever you create tables, so it is stored inside the catalog data dictionary. So the query is very simple, select star from cat. Star mean all columns. For example, if you want to see the structure of the catalog data dictionary, so just write describe cat. So look at here, in this data dictionary catalog we have only two columns, table name and table type. So look at here, when we select star from cat, so table name and table type. You know what are the types? For example, if I create a view, so here it will be written view. Clear? And these tables are created from the Oracle side. We didn't create these tables because the SCART user is embedded inside the Oracle RDBMS for the sake of the user practice. Okay, so here, for example, if I want to see the structure of the EMP table, so what you will do, you will just write describe EMP. So these are the columns and data types of the EMP table. Mean we have employee number, employee name, job, MGR, hire date, sale, commission and department number. These are the columns are created inside the EMP table. EMP mean employee table. The data type of employee number is number, length is 4. This is the data type. Not null mean that this is the primary key, and in this column not null value mean empty values and repetitions are not allowed, because primary key has two main properties, not null and unique value, or we can say that duplication is not allowed inside the primary key column. E-name, job, MGR, hire date. Look at here, hire date data type is date, because in this we will store the date. Job, e-name, they have the data type of varchar 2, the length is 10. The length is 10. In varchar 2 we can store both, mean alphabets as well as characters. If you want to see the structure of the department table, so just write what this. You can write the complete word describe or just write the describe. Mean inside the Oracle, at least you need to write the first 4 characters so the Oracle can recognize the required word, the specific word. So for example, here I write the complete word describe EMP, or if you just write the first 4 characters describe EMP, so no problem, it will work. Look at here, describe EMP. Or if I write describe DEPT, so let's see here, these are the columns of the department table. So for example, if you want to select all data from the department, so select star from DEPT, from department table. So I only to use star represent all columns of a table. So mean this star represent all columns of the department table. So in the department table we have these 3 columns. Just press enter, so it will show the department table data. For example, if you want to select the specific column name, for example, department number, comma, D name. Column name must be separated by comma, and it must be in the select class. From, no, from is the another class, AMP, sorry, from DPT. So no, we just select these two column name. So look at here, department number and department name. So in this way you can select the data from various tables. For example, if I want to select data from employee table, select star from EMP. So now it show the data of employee table. There are 18 records. Okay, for no, I want to set the page size, set page size 20, set page size 25, and knowledge ticket, and set line size 300. So look at here, these are our data nodes in organized form. So for example, now if you want to select the specific column from the EMP table, so select ename, comma, job, comma, hire date, and department number from AMP. So now it will select only these columns. So in this way you can select or retrieve the data from the database of your particular tables, from your particular tables. Mean you can select all the columns, you can select the specific column, and this thing is called what? Projection. This thing is called what? Projection. Hope you people like my videos, and if you people like my videos, so kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz, bye bye.